This is a potato field set up for a client 3 months ago. So we're coming to evaluate and then get ready for the market. So right now, these guys are ready, and we are going to be harvesting a couple of days. We're going to be harvesting a couple of days. So if you this is our first time, so just taking you guys through and then keeping you abreast with the project that we are super excited to share, and we're happy that you guys can see what we're doing and then also learn from it. So please stay tuned as I take you through the field. So the first thing we ensured we did was to do a random sampling of the field to see if we were going to be harvesting just as planned. We needed to open up the soil at random just to see if we had very quality tubers, which we indeed saw. They were so massive, and you will get to see them all. As you can see, this is just the opening up process of we trying to see the tubers we actually had in the soil. So just opening it up a little bit and see what we were having, if they are good for the market. So at this point we are trying to cover up the tubers we just exposed, to see what we had inside the soil. So why we're doing this is so we do not invite or expose them to rodent attack. This is what you should do if you have if you had to open the soil to see what you had in the soil. Ensure you cover it up properly. A couple of persons have really asked that, do you actually have to open up the tubers or open up the soil to see the tubers before it's ready? No, you don't always have to do that, but then one thing is to have the record of when you cultivated your crop. Another thing is for the crop to grow as you have planned. Now why you have to check is because you want to be sure, firstly, that you are going to be harvesting the right size of yield, because during the growth processes of some of these crops, there are times when we have a little bit of drought, when we have short period of drought. So this could hinder the growth of the crop at that point. So the essence of really checking to see if you have the right yield is so that you are confident, okay, of what you have, and so that you can make the right plant. And also it's going to help you to know if you are to leave the plant for a couple of weeks, or you are just to comment and then mobilize your laborers for the harvesting of the crop. So it's all very necessary you are pretty sure of what you have in the soil a little bit at random before you commence with harvesting. So guys, this is what I actually meant. As you can see, we are having very big tuber, and this is an indication, it's a good indication that this field is ready for harvest, and we can now commence with the harvesting of this field. So guys, as much as you want to leave out your crop to grow into very huge tubers, there's something you have to take note of. One of the things you have to ensure is you don't keep it for so long in the ground. You just have to ensure you harvest as and when due. So right now these guys are ready for harvesting, because if you leave them longer than this, rodents are going to come in and then they will be feasting on them, and we do not want that to happen. Guys, we've been able to go through the potato field, and we've been able to look at the tubers, and when we saw how massive they are, and we are really happy because they did well. So we're going to be having a bountiful harvest, and definitely I'm going to be giving you updates as we go with the harvesting processes. Guys, we are ready, and today is a harvesting day. As you can see, we have our guys already doing the digging out of the tubers from the soil. So it's harvesting day, and we are always so super excited. Enjoy the rest, guys. Oh my words, I literally thought this were yam. I know this are probably the thought going through your mind right now. These are potato and they are super massive because we ensured that this field was produced by ensuring we followed the right agronomic practices, the right management practices for the production of potato, and that is why we have it this massive. So guys, don't be left out of this goodness. If you want to replicate this same result on your field, all you have to do is one of the three things. One is to join a paid mentorship platform, or you can also reach out to us directly so we can have a one-on-one consultancy with you. Or if you really want us to be on ground while you set up, you want us to supervise the whole setup processes, or you want us to really help you set it up from start to finish, all you need to do is reach out to us, because this is not rocket science too. In achieving this massive result, it's not rocket science, something achievable. All you need to do is reach out to us, and then we are going to share the secret to achieving this massive tubers. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're joining us here at Chidab Agricultural Hub. Peace, guys. Quality yield from this very field, and then looking at the tubers, they were massive too. So we're good, we're good to go, guys. So that is it. We need to write down, I need you to punch on the subscribe button if this is your first time coming across my channel, and do well to like this video and also share with family and friends.